Hey everybody, how's it going? So, quick video. I had to replace one of the double box end Tekton wrenches, so please stick around, check out the video, and I'll see you guys there. Thank you for watching. Hey everybody, how's it going? Alright, so I had one of the Tekton double box end metric wrenches fail on me, which is odd. It wasn't like failed like, you know, you can see damage or anything. First use, I was taking off a fan clutch, and 12mm had no issue breaking the bolts free, but when I went to try to tighten the bolts, it would skip teeth. Called Tekton. He told me to just fill out the form, take a couple photos, and he'll get me a wrench out. No big deal. So here's the replacement wrench. And I got here relatively quick too. 14mm extra long flex head ratcheting box end wrench. Ship date 12/21. It's been sitting here for, I don't know, 3 or 4 days. I just didn't get to it. It's now the 29th, so I think I received it on the 22nd, 23rd, like a day or 2 days later. So here's the wrench. Let me grab the other one. He told me to just keep the other one. Right here. So here's the original. So they're similar. The ratchet mech moves in and out a little bit. And I thought it was weird. It had no problem breaking a bolt free. But it's, you know, with the ratchet side, no problem breaking the bolt free at all. But as soon as you went to go tighten it, just skipped tooth. It skipped 1 or 2 teeth while you were tightening. You'd make a pop noise. But so there's the secondary wrench. These are both the same wrench. Old one's on top, new one's on bottom. So I'll give you guys an update. See, you know, if the new wrench has the same issue or not. The new wrench is a lot looser on the flex joints though. This one is my original wrench. It's nice and tight. This one is nice and tight on this side. It's kind of loose on this side, but you know, we can tighten the bolt down a little bit. Shouldn't be too hard. They're Torx. But just a quick video. Figure I'd let you guys know I did have to warranty one of the wrenches. Haven't had any problems with any of the other wrenches, not even the smaller ones, like the 8 and 10, or the 8 and 10 or the 9 and 11. Haven't had any issue with those. But just a quick video. Appreciate you guys watching. Let me know down below if you guys have had any of those issues with these wrenches as well. But appreciate you guys watching. Please like, comment, subscribe. Hit the bell notification icon for future updates. Go check out my Amazon affiliate links, my Acme Tools affiliate links, DJI Electronics affiliate links, as well as my Ohio Power Tools affiliate links. Top of the description, I also have an Olsa Tools link. If you guys use that, it'll save you 10% on your purchase at olsatools.com. And hopefully I'll see you guys in the next video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Peace!